Japanese emergency response officials say a helicopter has crashed near Tokyo, killing all 4 people on board. The victims are all men between the ages of 22 and 60 and were employees of a Tokyo-based helicopter operator. The helicopter went down in Gunma Prefecture around 2:30 p.m. and immediately caught on fire. Officials say the chopper transported some goods to Yamanashi, then left for Tochigi around 2 p.m. The flight was scheduled to take around an hour and a half. A witness told NHK that he thought something went wrong when he saw the chopper circling. He added it went down making a strange noise.